A, B, C, D, E, F, G, la la la. Let's learn the alphabet song, la la la. Hope we have fun. Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to do the letter H. Okay, here in a few minutes we'll go ahead and we'll get started. Alright, as usual we'll go ahead and do a slip knot on the hook. Today we're using a 3.0 millimeter hook. After we do that, we'll go ahead and proceed and do a chain 11. Okay, in the second chain from the hook, we will do a single crochet, and we'll also do a single crochet in the remainder of the stitches. Alright, next we'll do a chain 1, and then after that we will turn our work. After we turn our work and do that chain 1, we will go ahead and do a slip stitch in the first 3 stitches. Be sure to pull up a little bit to give it so it's not so tight when you go ahead and do that slip stitch. I notice myself I do it a little bit tight, so that's what I usually do. Just pull up on it just a little bit. Okay, we'll do a chain 1. And in that same stitch that we just did, that last slip stitch, we will do a single crochet. Okay, we will also do a single crochet in the next, a single crochet in the next stitch after that. Alright, we'll go ahead and do a chain 1, turn our work again, do a single crochet in the next, and then in the next stitch. Chain 1, okay, I want to make sure that we have that width in between the 2 lines fairly decent. Yes, we do. Alright, we'll go ahead and we'll do a total of chain 4 instead of just the chain 1. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we'll go back down the chains by simply going into that second chain and doing a single crochet, single crochet in the next, single crochet in the next stitch after that. Okay, right now we should be right directly above, so we'll simply attach by doing a single crochet with that part going across. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then after that we will do another chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll go back down the chain by doing a single crochet in that second chain, a single crochet in the next, and single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, next we'll go ahead and simply attach by going into the top of this part right here by a slip stitch. Do another slip stitch. Simply cut your end long enough so where you can hand sew it in. Okay, just pull up that loop, straighten it out, and there you have it. A cute little H. Now I think once you tie in the ends and you kind of straighten out your edges here, it'll simply take its shape. It depends on how tight you do your stitching. And if you're like me, as you can see here, it's quietly kind of off-centered a little bit. But But you get the drift, and you get that nice little H. Usually your first one always comes out perfect. Never fails. Alright, don't forget to give me a good thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you when I see you. Have a good day.